Good morning, y'all. It's Monday. Happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. My name is SheQuana, short for SheQuana. I'm about to head out. I have to run some errands. I have to take my daughter to the doctor. I need to go to the grocery store to make a grocery store run. I already did my face skincare, so I'm about to brush my teeth. I went out to eat last night for Father's Day with my fiance, and I drank some wine. That wine too, my stomach up this morning. TMI. But yeah, I'll pick y'all back up once I get out of the house and get going. I just got on this little denim shirt and some black tights. That's it.
Ay. Ay. Yeah. Ay.
I just left from getting my oil change because I needed it. I was like 1,500 miles over my oil change. At the gas station now getting gas. It seemed like gas going back down. It's $3.85 for regular. So, and my daughter want to go to the mall because she want to go to Victoria's Secret. I think they're having a sale, semi-annual sale or some type of sale. But we're going to do that later when I run back out because I have to run back out and do something else. But right now, I'm about to go to the house. I've been outside a little too long. I'm hot. I haven't ate yet. It's almost 3 o'clock. Yeah, so that's that. I only put a good 40. I put that 40 watt in here. And they better do something. Even though I was on 7 miles. Dang ya. I hate me. What you get? All right, boo. Coconut water. Y'all, Shania got me at this mall looking a mess. We just got that new store right there at Keira. I've been in there one time for Shania prom. We was looking for some little shoes for that one day. But she got me at the mall because she wanted to go on Victoria's Secret. So that's where we about to go. And I look a mess. And I got on these slides. Ridiculous.
Valentine. Yeah. Yeah. Bobby Valentino. Yeah, we can hear the angels calling us. Yeah, we can see the sunrise before us. Yeah, and when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. You know what I mean? Hey. Like a cop car. Hey. I make you say, throwing the buck in the latest drop. I got stopped by a lady cop. She got me thinking I could date a cop. Cause her uniform pants were so tight. She read me my rights. She put me in a call. She cut off all the lights. She said I have the right to remain silent. Now I gotta holler.
Good morning, y'all. I'm dressed. I'm about to head out for the day. I got some errands that I need to run. Tomorrow is my best friend's birthday surprise party. I just got on my little two-piece set. This little jacket with some Lululemon shorts. This jacket don't go with the shorts, but it's gonna go today. And I just got on this scarf. This headband. I am gonna need to go to the grocery store and find me some type of lace or black, whatever. I don't know. It's Friday, so we're about to head out. Her party is tomorrow, but I do want to be prepared because I do gotta make some hand sandwiches, like some finger sandwiches as well. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. Happy Friday. Let's go ahead and get out of this house. I'm gonna bring my claw clip just in case I want to clip my hair up. And yeah, happy Friday. I hope y'all enjoy y'all weekend, or y'all did enjoy y'all weekend by the time y'all probably gonna see this. So y'all, we're at, let me turn this AC down, but I really don't want to turn my AC down, y'all, because it's hot as I don't know what. But we're at Dollar Tree. I'm about to run in here real quick because I need to get a pan with a lid on it and some, what is it called? Q-tips. No, I just left Dollar Tree. I'm about to run to Food Line real quick so I can get the sandwich meat, cheese, and the bread. And then after that, I'm waiting for my daughter to be ready to get picked up from getting her hair done. And probably go to my mama's house for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in the house. I haven't forgot that I want to show y'all the stuff that I ordered for my bedroom. It's just a rug and a plant. So we're gonna do that too, probably tonight. And I'm also going to sit down and do my nails and my toes tomorrow. Still haven't found nothing to wear yet, so we got to do that too. I've been looking online in the stores near me to see if I can find something, but I don't know. But let's go ahead to food line. Sick of putting gas in the car. Sick of it. I had to stop and get gas. I've been outside way too long. Mazza, can you get that for me, please? And I'm still waiting on my daughter to finish getting her hair done. I think me and my youngest daughter about to go to my mother's house because I want to see my nephew. I didn't even go to the grocery store yet or nothing, y'all. So we'll probably do that tomorrow, early in the morning. But let's go see my nephew. I got this yacht that I'm eating, and it's actually good. I'm at my mama's house, seeing my nephew. And I got me a little drink as well, some Terramana. I don't even know if it's morning. It might be afternoon. Good morning, y'all. It might be afternoon, I'm not sure, but it's either 11:40 or 12 o'clock by now. I just woke up, washed my face, and brushed my teeth, and yes, I got the same thing I had on yesterday because I'm just about to run to the grocery store, and I have to come back in the house and get myself together. I gotta re-glue this wig back on. I gotta make these little sandwiches, whatever, which ain't much. Go pick up this skirt from the mall, but I'm up. Good morning. It's Saturday. I went to my mama's house last night.
Please fasten driver's seatbelt.
Like I showed y'all, I started off with that one drink and dang near finished that whole bottle. So I'm not even in the mood. And I definitely am not in the mood to drink 2 nights in a row. Baby, my body is, I can't do that. But I'll see y'all in a little while. I'm dressed, y'all. We're about to leave out and go to the club. Say hey, Bree. Well, I don't even got no storage up here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good afternoon, y'all. It's Sunday. It's the next day. It's 4:11. I just came back in the house from picking up my daughter from my mother's house, and I gotta leave back out at 6 to pick up my other daughter from work. But last night was a ball. A time was had. I am still hungover. Yeah, but we had fun. I didn't really record that much at the club. But yeah, that's it. I'm about to clean up and, you know, whatever else I'm gonna do. Clean up, probably cook something and relax for real. But I need to clean up a little bit and wash a load of clothes, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I just wanted to pick up the camera and close out the vlog. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.